Hello everyone! Welcome back to Home Decor Day. Today, we're exploring bathroom trends for 2024. Sleek minimalism is more than just a style, it's a statement. Clean lines and neutral tones combine to create a bathroom that embodies simplicity, transforming your space into a tranquil oasis. Eco-Chic takes sustainability to the next level, merging it with undeniable style. By utilizing natural materials in soothing neutral colors, your bathroom becomes a testament to eco-friendly elegance without sacrificing sophistication. Warm neutrals introduce a welcoming atmosphere into the bathroom space. The cozy hues of beige and soft taupe wrap the room in comfort, making every moment spent there feel like a warm embrace. Textural contrast breathes life into the bathroom by mixing matte and glossy finishes. This sophisticated touch of neutrality ensures your space remains interesting and dynamic, striking the perfect balance between simplicity and elegance. Organic elements invite nature into your bathroom, creating a serene and natural feel. Incorporating wood and stone in light colors not only enhances the aesthetic, but also promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. Smart storage solutions transform the bathroom into a haven of tranquility and efficiency. Hidden cabinets and shelves, adorned in soft gray and white, offer a seamless blend of form and function, maximizing every inch of space without compromising on style. Indoor plants introduce a refreshing burst of life into the bathroom. Strategically placed greenery contrasts beautifully against the neutral color scheme, injecting vitality and a sense of well-being into the serene space. Patterns introduce a subtle yet captivating element to the bathroom. Neutral tone tiles, arranged in modern shapes, add depth and interest to the space, creating a backdrop that is both contemporary and timeless. Monochrome magic brings a sophisticated flair to the bathroom, playing with shades of gray to achieve a chic, contemporary look. This design strategy elevates the space, making it feel more expansive and luxurious. Zen-inspired bathrooms foster an atmosphere of serenity and minimalism. Muted color palettes and minimalist design elements encourage relaxation, making the space a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Floating vanities are not just practical, they bring a sense of modern sophistication to any bathroom. The wall-mounted design creates an illusion of space, making the room appear larger and more inviting. By choosing sleek, neutral colors, these vanities blend seamlessly with various decor styles, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the senses. Bold textiles offer a simple yet effective way to introduce texture and depth into a bathroom's design. Neutral-colored towels and bath mats provide a soft, inviting touch, transforming the space into a cozy haven. This subtle addition can make a significant impact, elevating the room's comfort and style quotient with minimal effort. Natural light plays a pivotal role in making a bathroom feel more open and airy. Large windows paired with translucent shades in soft hues maximize daylight while ensuring privacy. This harmonious balance not only brightens the space, but also highlights the beauty of the chosen neutral palette, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Accent metals like brushed gold and copper bring a touch of warmth and luxury to neutral bathrooms. These fixtures stand out against subdued backgrounds, offering a captivating contrast. Their refined glow adds a layer of sophistication, making everyday routines feel more special and indulgent. Vintage modern design marries the charm of yesteryears with contemporary neutral tones, crafting a timeless bathroom aesthetic. This unique blend allows for a space that feels both familiar and fresh, inviting a sense of nostalgia while keeping the look current and stylish. Dynamic lighting transforms the bathroom into a sanctuary of calm and sophistication. Modern fixtures with clean designs cast a soft glow, highlighting the neutral palette while creating an inviting ambience. Terrazzo touches bring playful elegance to the bathroom. The muted colors of terrazzo tiles add a refined yet whimsical element, seamlessly blending with the space's neutral tones for a chic, cohesive look. Glass enclosures in the bathroom emphasize an open, airy feel. Clear glass showers keep the space visually uncluttered, allowing the beauty of neutral designs and textures to shine through without interruption. Integrated technology in bathrooms marries convenience with style. Smart tech features, hidden within the beauty of neutral aesthetics, offer a seamless experience, enhancing functionality without disrupting the tranquil design ethos. Like this video? Make sure to Subscribe and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration. Happy decorating!